If you work in early childhood education, you've seen the wild child, right? The kid that's running around and pushing everybody and kicking things and jumping and stomping and being maybe disruptive. Or maybe they're not physically harming anybody. Maybe they're just really fidgety and touching everything, or running around and being kind of crazy, or jumping a lot. These are children with a sensory need. This is the body craving proprioceptive and vestibular input, which is our sense of where we are in space and our sense of movement and balance. So these are developmental needs, and children have a big developmental need, especially in these areas. A lot of times the wild child will be punished for being disrespectful, disruptive, but really what's happening is we're punishing that child for having a body and having a physical need. If we can recognize that need, recognize those signs, provide the appropriate sensory tools, and redirect that child into something that's less disruptive but still meets that need for them, the child wins, you win, the class wins, everybody wins. This is learned through sensory literacy, and this is how we make the world better. Please like, share, and comment. And if you would like to learn more, hit the link in my description to my sensory literacy starter kit. I'm Shana Bender from Sense Mindful Integration. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to mind your senses.